What is up, everybody? It is me, Arthur at Performance Hunters, and right now it's that time of the year. It's Halloween. You know, we get to be something that we're not, and right now I'm just as a skater because I was really procrastinating. Anyways, I just pulled up to the homie's pad, Young Bruh, by the way. Shout out to Young Bruh. Go ahead and check him out. I'll leave his link in the description below to his Instagram. Dope ass skater, by the way. Oh, there he is. It's Young Bruh. Look at him. Hey, don't get hit by a car, homie. Look at this fool. Hey, I'm on a budget vlog.
You're on a budget?
Look at this. Just opened it. Don't open the door. There. Wait for this stub to go up. You see with this budget vlog?
I do.
Damn, now I have to bleep that out. All right, so we just linked with Zabaz. Dude, peep his car. Look at this stuff right here. Like, just, I'm gonna flip the camera. Car, hey, and how's Zabaz? How's Zabaz? You skating again?
Bro.
Everybody wants to know if you're skating again. All right, he didn't answer the question, but let's just assume he is. Spider webs everywhere. We gotta be careful today because there's a lot of cops.
Look what I did to my license plate. Low-key hit it.
I saw that.
On purpose.
And I'm saying there's a lot of cops
when
today.
we're throwing the peppers.
Oh, it's gonna be dope,
They ain't gonna
bro.
catch me.
They ain't gonna catch us. A little bit of pranks, a little bit of racing. You know, what day? It could be any better. I mean, it's dope. We got the chelas in the trunk too. Show them the chelas. It's a slight flex. Just a slight flex. Big money, fool.
$16.
How do you feel about that? What did we just do, Isaiah? What did we just do?
What?
We did some fixing.
Stability and shit.
Yep. Gotta stabilize the spider web so they don't fly out while we're racing. I feel like these candles are gonna fall off.
Don't touch it.
Are they real wax?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nah. Dude, this shit feels like it's like really like leaky. Like it feels waxy.
It's waxy.
Why you keep that tool like that? Why you move like that? I hit the sub 50 deep. I'm tryna know my little bit from the devil. I don't need your help, got it on my own. It's $1 million. I don't need no vitamin C. I be smoking broccoli. They say it's good for my health.
That's a good song.
I created history and made me alive. He tried to diss me and it ain't no faults. We call them choppers cause they gonna chop. Took her out of Valley cause her pussy pop. I run it like Nike, we got it on lock.
What happened? Not really.
Not really, no.
Oh shit.
I thought it was a cop for a second.
Mercedes and go to surprise. Keep on this lady, her pussy up high. Get her back while I'm gripping her. It's from my waist, I'm back rocking her man. Jameshi Air Forces, they cost me a band. I'm out the show, get some rest of my man.
So she's a bit warm right now because of all the driving we were doing. But you know, future plans for this. Gonna put some blow-off valves, 2 of them, because I got a twin turbo, and I'm trying to fix the intakes. Maybe get a little aftermarket intakes and an aftermarket exhaust. That's gonna be the first thing that happens to this car.
It's been a fat minute since.
It's looking really good in the dark, or when it gets darker, bro, it's gonna look super awesome. It's just like really plain right here. All right, so we wait for Isaiah's battery to charge. What we're gonna be doing right now, what are we doing? Yo, I'm lost. What are we doing, young bro? All right, we might go to a party, and then we might.
Hey, show them cellas.
Oh, the cellas. 6-pack in the bag.
Just a little 6-pack, you know.
Modelo time. This man Isaiah just gave me spider web right now. Look at that. His car, all his spider web flew off when we were racing, and it flew right onto my car. Damn, bro. Get your spider web in check, bro.
Oh, I like to
Get it in check. Isaiah just picked up an order for DoorDash. He's making $14, and that's gonna be in like 10 minutes. All he has to do is go to Chick-fil-A, pick up, and then take it to the house of the person. In the meantime, we're gonna be filming, getting them dope ass clips in. I'm in eco mode right now so I can save some of that gas, but I'm about to switch it right out to sport when we're on the road. Young bro's playing the slappers too.
Lacing my grades and I fucking retreat. I really could use some more of that sleep, but I'll sleep when I'm dead in the bed with the tags in my feet that lead. Let me wear my FTPs, the evidence right next to me. Chalked out line, the rest we'll see. He's dead, so let's just let him be.
Release the fucking dogs and I'll shoot them with my watch. Release the fucking dogs and I'll shoot.
Alright, so you know, we've done some cool racing today. Now we're gonna go out to the functions and stuff, and you know, it's gonna be too dark to be recording things like that. But I'm gonna leave the link in the description to Zaybaz's video. He's got like that night vision stuff on his camera. You know, we'll be able to do all that. We can catch up on the rest of my vlog through watching his. With all that being said, peace out. Like and subscribe for more.
It's